Tequila is a distilled spirit that originates from the town of Tequila in the state of Jalisco, Mexico. It is made from the blue agave plant and is regulated by Mexican law, which dictates that tequila can only be produced in specific regions of Mexico, primarily Jalisco and limited areas in the states of Guanajuato, Michoacán, Nayarit, and Tamaulipas. Tequila is made from the core of the blue agave plant, known as the piña. The piñas are harvested, roasted, and crushed to extract the sugary juice that is then fermented and distilled to produce tequila. The blue agave plant takes several years to mature before it can be harvested for tequila production. There are several categories of tequila, each with its own characteristics and production methods. These categories include blanco, unaged, reposado, aged for a few months, añejo, aged for at least 1 year, and extra añejo, aged for at least 3 years. The aging process imparts different flavors and characteristics to the tequila. While blue agave is the most common variety used for tequila production, there are other types of agave that can also be used to make distilled spirits. For example, mezcal is another agave-based spirit that can be made from various agave species and is produced in different regions of Mexico. Traditional methods of producing tequila involve using a stone wheel to crush the roasted agave, while modern methods use mechanical shredders. Some distilleries still use traditional methods, believing it adds to the flavor complexity of the final product. Additionally, artisanal and craft distilleries have gained popularity, focusing on smaller batches and unique production techniques. Remember that the quality and characteristics of tequila can vary widely depending on factors such as the type of agave used, the production process, and the aging period. If you're interested in exploring tequila, it's a good idea to try different varieties and brands to find the ones that best suit your taste preferences. Whether you're sipping a smooth blanco, enjoying the nuanced flavors of a well-aged añejo, or curious about the artistry behind tequila production, these facts provide a flavorful glimpse into the world of this iconic Mexican spirit. From its origin in the agave fields of Jalisco to its various aging processes and distinct categories, tequila's rich history and diverse expressions continue to captivate the palates of enthusiasts around the globe. So, whether you're a seasoned aficionado or a curious newcomer, raise a glass to the remarkable journey that is tequila. Salud!